lead will be the T-43, medium-range swept-wing jet aircraft equipped with modern navigation and communications equipment to train navigators for strategic and tactical aircraft. The T-43 is primarily used in the Air Force's undergraduate navigator training program. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, the T-43 in the lead. Two T-6 Texans, the T-38 Talons, and the T-1A Jayhawk. The composite flight, ladies and gentlemen, they are based here. They are the best here. Put your hands together for the Randolph composite flight. I hope you can appreciate the diversity of these aircraft, the size, the weight, and the speed, and excellent pilots required to fly that maneuver. They'll be back overhead from behind very shortly. Mission Commander today, Major Matt Wells Gaines of San Antonio, Major Alan Al Coker, the Deputy Mission Commander from San Antonio, and from Knoxville, Tennessee, the ground of Texas, Major Brad Bob Rice. On the left wing of the T-38, Captain Ryan Van Dusen from Grand Reviews by the Air Force Air Education Training Command. It's a version of the Beech 400A.
Fly right over us, fly.
Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, from behind now. Once again, the great disparity in size, speed, and weight of these aircraft makes this formation extremely difficult. Put your hands in the air and wave to them. They're looking down at you, ladies and gentlemen, here above Randolph Air Force Base. Heading off to Kelly Air Force Base to recover over there. As our composite flight leaves, you can look to the right, and here comes the Wildcat in.